I seem to be managing a lot of things in my life at the same time, and I have realized the importance of slowing down, and that I have started prioritizing my emotional needs and my mental needs. As I said, I came without expectations, and the things that I've received are memories for life. I think these experiences, the healing, being in nature, being with yourself, being in silence, the healing that it provides, this is going to go beyond these classes. This is going to go for life. So everything felt right. There was a time when I needed yoga to just, bring me up to, that kind of a lifestyle. And then there were these sessions around Ayurveda and psychology, which kind of felt right. I think it's a holistic approach. And even in life, if you want to just, find answers to certain things, not one thing can give you all those answers. So I think for me, the holistic approach was really good. I really enjoyed the musical evening that we had. It played a different role altogether. The silence and those moments with myself played a different role, and the yoga was amazing. I think anybody who comes here without expectations would receive a lot. If you come with expectations, you would definitely get experiences which would be beyond your expectations, because you are in nature, you have peace, you have the sattvic environment, so you are going to receive beyond your expectations. So thank you to everybody, and a dear friend of mine, Ruchi, for leading us through, and all the other mentors who were there with us for the session. I think it was an amazing experience.